Over 70% of maintenance is reactive. This means that only when something has gone wrong is usually when people take the time to fix it. With that being said, this is my preventive maintenance program with 5 actionable tips to help keep your body functioning properly. First off, I would like to say I am not a doctor. I'm simply showing you movements and techniques that have worked for me. My first tip is to shake it out. I'm not even being funny, I'm absolutely serious. Movements like these will help promote blood flow, which in turn helps promote recovery throughout your body. Doing exercises like this in a relaxed, passive state will help unlock tight muscle fibers. It'll keep your body relaxed. Staying loose and hollow and performing these patterns is something that can be done every single day and is extremely important in aiding in recovery. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to learn more ways to incorporate exercise, movement, and fitness into your life. Up next, we have conditioning of your joints. This is an area that's extremely overlooked. I think it's because it's really not glamorous or sexy. It really just takes a lot of time and dedication. Movements like these can be done at first 2 to 3 times per week. Once you get used to them, they can be done daily. This is the true maintenance factor. If you want to keep your body functioning for the rest of your life, you need to put the time in and do the work. If you want to get the biggest bang for your buck, then you need to be doing a resting deep squat on a daily basis. It's this move that helps you condition your ankles, knees, and hips. Even folding your body in half will help aid in digestion as well as circulation. This is a movement that helps build flexibility, mobility, as well as strength. When first learning this movement, it's really helpful to have something to hold on so that way you can lean back with your torso. This will make it much more comfortable so you can stay in that resting deep squat longer. Another key factor of a preventive maintenance program is to have some sort of hanging protocol. This is good for a few reasons, more specifically to help strengthen your shoulder girdle. Let's remember that our shoulders are most susceptible to injury because they have the largest range of motion. Also, remaining in a hanging position on a daily basis does wonders for decompressing your body, specifically your vertebrae. Let gravity do its work. Take some time to hang out. Without a properly functioning spine, your quality of movement and your quality of life is going to be greatly diminished. That's why it's my belief that taking care of your spine is extremely important. It can be a little embarrassing to do movements like spinal waves or segmented cat-cow, but you need to be able to put your ego aside and focus on what is truly good for your body. These preventive maintenance techniques are meant to help your body function throughout the rest of your life. I want you to create longevity. I want you to move pain-free within your body. I want you to realize that it's far easier to maintain a function or a skill than it is to completely relearn it all over again. Make sure you take the time to watch the videos that are on the screen right now to learn more ways to incorporate movement and exercise into your life. As always, this is Joey saying be kind to one another and move well. Peace.